As an internal IT team, you're limited by your environment, what you're doing, and what you've known. When you partner with ThrottleNet, you have access to all this experience and expertise.
ThrottleNet has a lot of tools, including our ticketing system, that we can put your internal IT staff into, and they can be working tickets internally in the same system that we do.
So in the event their team cannot resolve and remediate an issue internally, they can leverage our ticketing system to then pass it right through to our team, and then we in turn can help them to resolve that issue and pass it right back to them.
We can implement award-winning cybersecurity where we'll manage the back end of it, but yet you still manage your IT day to day, and use us as much or as little as you like.
Maybe you don't have the finances or means to have like a true CIO, so we can come in with a vCIO. The role of the vCIO is to be a strategic consultant to ensure IT strategy is in line with their business goals.
Our goal is to help the organization be better, more efficient, and secure while leveraging the resources they currently have through the team that they have in place.